Do you need or want to create an Amazon business account on your phone? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create one. The easiest and best way to create an Amazon business account is by downloading the Amazon Business app and then create an account from here. But you have also the option to create an Amazon business account while being logged inside of your private account in the standard Amazon app. The result will be the same. You will get an Amazon business account and you can switch between Amazon business and your private account inside of the Amazon app. You can also just sign in into the Amazon business app right after. Once you open the standard Amazon app and tapped on this profile icon in the bottom, then you go to your account by tapping on account right here. Under program options, you can see create a free business Amazon account. Just tap on it. And then you are going to be asked if you want to use a new or other email address for your Amazon business account, or you want to use the same as you do with the private account. I recommend to use a different email to separate both of them, and this also makes it possible to switch between those accounts. In the end, you are going to have the Amazon business account, which gives you a lot of benefits when it comes to your business. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.